Hot shower.
All right, so we did a little unboxing to get this project started. You've got the 12 volt input, gas line, and 2 water lines. These are the ones that all go right here. Again, you've got your cold water input, your hot water output, and your gas input. We haven't read the manual yet, so there's a lot I'm still not 100% sure of. But you've got the heat, the water flow maybe, and then the digital readout. It's got stands that screw onto the sides so you can keep it up off the ground. You can hang it somewhere. There's a hanger. Here it is. You can hang it, and then they also have a mounting bracket, but I didn't see a point in buying that extra mounting bracket. We may change our mind and do it later. Over here, again, these are the lines for, I'm not sure why there's 2. Oh, it may be extra. They're splitters, so like if you want 2, like if they have a sink attachment, so you could have the hot water coming out going to this splitter, and then from it to the one to the shower and one to the sink. Oh, but this is the pump. Sorry, that makes more sense. This is the pump, and it has a nice fine mesh on the actual intake, and then this keeps it from like sitting in the muck if you're tossing it into a river or a lake or something like that. And then of course there's the pump, and then over here is the shower head with all of its connections, the handle, the head, and connectors. Anyway, that's it. I believe Tracy's going to work on putting this together, at least in the cabin, and we'll figure that out. We're real excited about this. Hey guys, my wife hollered at me and wanted me to come over here to the shower shack, so let's see what she's got, shall we? What you got, baby? That's amazing.
This is really cold. It just came out of the barrel.
Oh wow.
Not really hot.
What's the temperature gauge say?
114. It's not on full blast. It's on full water.
So is that what that blue one is?
This adjusts the water
flow?
To the hot tap. This adjusts the water temperature.
So if you wanted it hotter or cooler, you would turn the red knob down.
Yeah. And if you get to recirculating like this, it only goes to a max of 122, and it'll shut off automatically here. And it was talking about you want to reduce your water flow and adjust the gas flow to keep it from shutting off.
Ah. So a quick thing here, we currently have the hot tap, and then up here is our rechargeable Jackery. I actually was talking to someone the other day at work, and they were talking about the Jackeries, and we bought one late last year and we've really liked it. And so we can take this inside the cabin, plug it in, and it'll be fully charged when we come back our next trip. Well, good job. Now we just got to figure out, after using it a little bit, how we're going to really mount it. We did find a clean 50-gallon barrel, so I thought, I don't know if we'll use the same guttering, but put guttering on the top of the shack, catch it, drop it into the barrel back here behind it, and then run the hose from the barrel into that, possibly on the other side so it gets sunlight. We're not sure yet. Ugh, those gutters are nasty. Probably not those gutters anyway, but Progress. Good job.
Thanks.
All right, so another project pretty much done, at least usable. We can figure it out and then make more permanent changes as we go along. That's an investment. We'll probably keep it locked away for a while anyway, bring it out, hook it up, take it back in, especially during the winter. We don't want the water in the pipes to freeze and burst, and that would be sad. Anyway, we are actually considering trying to find a little, well, not a little, trying to find an old bathtub, hook that in there, put it on circulate, and have a nice hot bath. All right, well, looks like we've got hot water for the shower without heating it on the grill. I'm excited about that. All right, y'all have a good day. Talk to you later.